Hello and welcome to Catherine's Garden. It's so good to see you today. I'm out here and it is a little rainy. Earlier in the day the sun decided to pop out for a second, and so I've come out to kind of look around and think about where I want to plant my bulbs. Now this is bulb planting season, because if you want to see color for spring, especially after the long winter, then now is the time to plant spring bulbs. Well, last year I planted bulbs, some really beautiful pink bulbs, and I had gotten the bulbs from Cosco. And they looked so pretty, so this time I decided I'm just going to buy my bulbs from Cosco. I had some red bulbs in the front, and some other bulbs on the side. But I decided that I'm going to put some bulbs, new fresh bulbs in the front, but I'm hoping that the bulbs from last year will come back up. This year though, I decided to plant daffodils. I planted daffodils in the past, but they seem to have worked like annuals almost for me. They weren't coming back strong. So this year I decided to plant some daffodils. And hopefully they will come back and they will look right in my garden like they're supposed to, you know? But anyway, I'm excited about planting them and putting the bulbs in. And then it will look also great with my my hedge back there. That's where I decided to put the daffodils. Back there with the hostas. Ooh, I got a little drop from the rain there. From the hostas, with the hostas and with the hydrangeas. To add color so that I can have a succession of bloom. First having the daffodils, then the rhododendron, then the hydrangeas. Yes, yes. So I'm excited about this whole process, and can't wait to share it with you next year. But in the meantime, it's time to dig and to plant. These pink tulips were from Costco, and they look so beautiful, so big and tall, that I decided that I wanted to buy some more tulip bulbs from Costco, because that way it will carry on the theme throughout the garden. And I chose mostly pink, white, and a maroony color tulips. But then of course I also wanted to increase the purple sensation alliums, because I had bought a lot of them last year and put them throughout the garden. Now I really like the Avaron tulips, and then of course the daffodils. I bought the 90 pack of bulbs of daffodils, and I'm going to add them in various parts of the garden, especially at the hedge in the back. Well, if you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. How's your garden growing? I hope things are going well with you. I hope that now for the fall cleanup, that all is going well, and that you're having a really good time in your garden for this time before the snow comes and the cold weather that you really have to stay inside. But anyway, enjoy fall, enjoy the weather, enjoy bulb planting. Yeah, see you next time on Catherine's Garden. Bye.